Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. This 30-inch low-profile Wellspeed fan looks pretty amazing in our living room, and we love the soft light for relaxing in the evening. There's so many options to control this fan, Alexa, Google, and even on your phone, but we like the remote and appreciate that it has 6 speeds, from soft and gentle to pretty strong wind. And on top speed, it seems to cool down the house really fast. We love that. And the extra touch of having the wall mount for the remote is super helpful for people who lose the remotes like me. This fan is durable yet lightweight, and I particularly like the unique fan blade shape for our decor. Installation was a breeze as we followed the easy and detailed instructions. We definitely will be enjoying nice, cool, breezy family time with this Wellspeed fan for many years to come. So try Wellspeed in your home. We love it, we highly recommend it, and that's just our point of view.